everyone. In this video we will be going over using the web interface on an E-series recorder. So what we'll go over here is playback, backup, and live view. So you'll want to use Internet Explorer. So make sure not to use Microsoft Edge, which can be confused with Internet Explorer, or Google Chrome or Firefox or any of those other browsers. This will strictly only work on Internet Explorer or Safari on a Mac. But in this example, we're using a Windows computer with Internet Explorer. And we'll go ahead and right-click on it and run as administrator. And running it as administrator is important if you want to back up footage to your computer. That'll let the program write to your computer, so those files will actually be on there, which we'll go over a little later. So now we have the browser up here, and I already know the IP address of the recorder, so I'll go ahead and just type that in. Alright, and then it's going to ask us to install plugins. So go ahead at the bottom here and just allow that. And the next thing we want to do is go to the upper right hand corner, select the little tools wheel there, and go to compatibility view settings, and then add this IP address to your compatibility view settings. This is an important step here. Okay, add that, close, and we'll go back to the wheel. Now go to Internet Options. Now go to Security, and then Custom Level. And scroll down just a little bit. And this one here, download unassigned ActiveX controls. You want to select prompt. We'll select OK, yes, apply, OK, and just go ahead and refresh your browser. Now we can go ahead and log in. All right. Okay, so now we're actually logged into our DVR here. And we have two cameras on it, camera 1 and camera 2. And as you can see here, you have your different layouts for different views. So you have a 4-channel, well, let's start with the 1. You have a 1-channel, 4, and then you could just work your way up to the max capacity of the recorder. So if I had more cameras on this recorder, I'd be able to load it up and see them all on the same screen here. And you would actually be able to open all your cameras just by selecting that there, Open All. It's a really great feature there, so you don't have to add, one at a time and so forth. Okay, and then you have playback. Okay. So over here you see your calendar. When it's highlighted blue, that means there's actually footage on the hard drive. So go down here, select the view you want, and then select the camera. So we'll just do camera 1, and then we'll go down here. And if I was just to hit play, it would start where the recording happened for that day. Or you can zoom in here with the scroller on the bottom. So let me just go ahead and click it, left click, just once, and then it starts at this time here, 16:29, and counting. And then you can go ahead and zoom in with the slider to get more of a specific time. And then you can use this here to fast forward or to go slow. And here you have your volume. If you were to have a microphone on that camera that was recorded, you would choose that to do that there. Okay, so that's some basic playback functions. And now we'll show you how to back up in the web interface here. So we're already in Playback. Now we'll go over to File List, select More, and there's two ways of doing this. You could download by file, and you could download by time. By file, if you were recording continuous, it'll show you the hour blocks of footage, or if you're recording motion, it'll show you the motion events, and that's where you would record that. So we'll do a search and we'll see what's on there. Okay, so there's a couple files here that were recorded just from the last couple minutes. And then you could download by time. So let's go back to live view and we'll see what time the recorder was at, and we'll show you how to do it that way. So we'll go to preview and we'll go back to camera 1, and we see here it's at 16:48. So we'll go ahead and pull just a minute at 16:45 on 3/21. Okay, we're back to download by time. So we'll do 16:45, and then we'll just pull a minute clip. Select download to local, and now you'll select the format of the file. DAV is the native format and would require the DAV player, which we'll show you how to get once we download this to the computer. Okay, so we'll select DAV player, and then we'll let it go to the default file path, C drive, record download, and then you could select your own file path as well. Okay, but I'll just let it go to the default. Okay, so it's complete, and then we'll show you where the DAV player is on our website. Okay, so this is what our website looks like at the moment. So at the top of the page there, you'll go to support and then downloads. Okay, and here we're looking for the Elite Series Smart Player for PC. Okay, I already have that on the computer, but you would just go ahead and install it and then use that to run the video file or to play the video file. So here I already have the video file up. I just went to the file path, which again the default one was C drive and then record download, and then I already have the Smart Player on the desktop. So I'll just go ahead and open that up, and then just go ahead and drag the file to the file list. You can do that, or you can choose the add files and navigate to your file. Alright, so down here at the bottom left hand corner you could zoom in. It pretty much acts like a recorder, which is really nice. You can add more than one camera. You see you have your multiple views here, and then if you had more than one, you would have the green timeline here. It'll appear just like this one, and then you can choose where you want to play the file from. All right, really great feature. So that goes over playing back recorded DAV files on your computer, and we had also went over live view and playback and backup. So if there's anything else we can help you with, please feel free to contact technical support, and thank you for watching the video.